Hello gardening friends. I added a lot of plants to the garden today, so I thought I'd do a quick update. I got some seed potatoes on clearance at Home Depot and I cut them. I allowed each piece to still have an eye so it would grow okay. And I got some Yukon Golds, and it helps to let them dry out for like 24 to 48 hours in a dry place. I'll probably put these in the garage, let them dry out a little bit to help prevent rot when I plant them. Here are the herbs and this little marigold. I kicked it over when I was watering stuff, so I had to repot it, so it's not as much in the center as it was. Up here are jalapenos and a nasturtium, and nasturtiums are edible flowers, and look how beautiful they're gonna be. Yay, they're such bright, cheerful colors. They're easy to plant by seed too if you don't want to get a plant. They pop up pretty quickly. If you see any red dust on my flowers, I just sprinkled a little bit of cayenne pepper around to help deter pests. So down here I've got broccoli, some more marigolds, and a cauliflower hiding back there. Some more broccoli, and back here is some new stuff, some zucchini. Zucchini is always fun to make different dishes out of, and I planted these sugar snap peas by seed, so they're popping up. And this is a tomato. I think that's a cherry tomato. I bought so many varieties I have to put little markers so I don't forget what I put where. Okay, in this bed I put some more marigolds. I just got a few cells of marigolds because I always love them, and another nasturtium, jalapeno back there, and a bush green bean Blue Lake variety back there in the back because my husband and I love green beans. So over here I talked about how prolific the sun sugar tomatoes are. They're amazing. They're kind of like a super sweet orange cherry tomato. This yarrow back here, it's a perennial, and this variety has really pretty pink flowers. I love it so much. I'll probably give my mom a little shoot off of it because she got me this plant a long time ago. And here's a lady bell pepper, and if you can see, there's a tiny little bell pepper on there. These are cucumber plants. I love cucumber plants. I love cucumber sandwiches with cream cheese. I love making cucumber salad with tomato and green onions and all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing to do is with cucumbers. Like, I'm always up for ideas. Some more tomato plants. I got some Romas, some more sun sugars. I got a grape tomato going on. I've got all the tomatoes. I didn't do big varieties this year, so I'm kind of lying when I say I do all the tomatoes. I don't have beefsteak or early girls, big boys. I'm trying little smaller ones this year. And this is another green bean. This is my handy dandy scarecrow. He works hard all the time. Here's some extra containers for the potatoes when they're ready. And back here, I planted garlic here and there all over the garden because it's a good pest deterrent, and you can't really see them right now because they're underground, but I have some red onions over here. This beautiful verbena, I couldn't resist it. My rose, and a clematis back there, and a little, I believe it's an iris shoot. My mom planted some bulbs this spring, and I can't remember what's what, so. And over here, the succulents look a little bit sickly because they've been living in my garage all winter, but I added some other pretty plants to my little fairy garden here. This is a pretty little daisy, this pretty little purple daisy, and this is turtle vine. And if you guys have ever read the book Wicked by Gregory Maguire, Turtle Heart's my favorite character, one of my favorite early characters in the book, I should say. And when I saw that this was turtle vine, I immediately thought of Turtle Heart. So yeah, the book's vastly different from the movie, so watch out if you read the book. So that's basically what I have so far, guys. I just have a few flowers in the front yard. They're in a previous video, a little snapshot of what I have up front. So happy gardening, and thanks so much for watching. I'll keep updating as everything grows, and hopefully everything survives. This is zone 6B, by the way, so it's a tad early, but it's been super warm. The lows have been warm. I'm gonna try to prevent cutworms, and we shall see. This is my lemon tree. Bye, y'all.